The Rhode Glazing Mist is a superfine hydrating face spray designed to deliver an instant glazed glow while reinforcing your skin barrier with every spritz. In this video, I'll walk you through what makes this mist so special, how and when to use it, and a key tip for flawless makeup application. The Glazing Mist offers an ultra-light hydration boost that keeps your skin looking supple, radiant and refreshed, whether barefaced or fully made up. It's perfect for on-the-go glow or layering under your glazing milk in your routine. Its key ingredients include ectoin, which is a water-binding amino acid derivative that hydrates and protects even in harsh environments. Next, it has the ceramide trio to strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture. It contains beta-glucan, a mushroom-derived humectant that delivers both immediate and lasting hydration. Another key ingredient is magnolia bark extract, which acts as an antioxidant and soothes the skin, and panthenol, vitamin B5, a gentle hydrator that soothes the skin. Here's how to use the Rhode Glazing Mist in your skincare routine. Begin by cleansing your skin. Shake the glazing mist bottle gently. Close your eyes and spritz a fine mist over your face by keeping about a 20-centimeter distance. And use as needed in your morning and night routine after cleansing or during the day over makeup or sunscreen. The Rhode Glazing Mist is like a mini facial in a bottle, portable, glowy, and clinically backed. It's perfect for maintaining your glazed complexion throughout the day or refreshing your routine anytime. Let us know if you've tried the mist and your thoughts. If you want to learn more about trending skincare products, check out these videos here next.